Rise and shine, bully, bully. Look, I forgot to close the door last night. That's not good. But thank God we don't live in the hood no more, you know what I'm saying? You could do that out here, but not a good idea. Go, my doggies. Go, go, go. Go, go, Sifu. Go pee pee. I took all of them a bath yesterday. Go ahead, Sifu. So they're starting to shed a little bit more too because the winter's about to come in. Go pee pee, Sifu. Go, 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 go. Sifu always be sleeping, bro. I don't know what's going on with him. Sifu, go over there. Go. Sifu be sleeping. I don't know what be up with him. Takes him a while to wake up. But yeah, I took all of them a bath. Come on, go over there. Go over there. Go, go, go. Took all of them a bath yesterday. You can see Sifu's like extra white. His white parts are extra white. Sifu, go over there. Wake up, bro. Go pee pee. Everybody's peeing but you. Everybody peed already except for Sifu. Sifu be sleeping for like 10 minutes before he wakes up. So you guys, my two breedings were successful. You know, now all I do is wait. Just waiting to see if they confirm, which I'm pretty sure they will be confirmed. So I'm happy about that because I kind of caught both females at the right time. I gotta go pick up these poops. Let me grab a baggie. Now this thing broke, so I gotta buy another one. Oh boy. Well, I need my hands, you guys. Both of them. Oh no. See the bottom part cracked? So I gotta get another one soon. Look at his eye. He just pooped over there. Now he's pooping over here. Sifu, man. Sifu, go over there. And he didn't even pee yet. Look at him. Go, 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 go. Go over there. Hey, go. Sifu, go over there. Go. Yeah, pooped twice already, this guy. Didn't even pee yet. And he's trying to find a way. Hey, go over there, Sifu. He's trying to find a way to go poop. Go pee. In the middle of the yard somewhere. Not gonna happen. And he pooped last night. I didn't even see it, so I had to pick this one up. Sifu, go over there. Go, go, go. He didn't pee yet. I think he slipped. Truffle, come. Truffle. These dogs are wilding this morning. Dogs are wilding this morning already. Alright, so this is spooky. Tell you guys, man, this breeding dog stuff ain't what you make it out to be, bro. In all actuality, like, where's the other one? I know seafood poop is somewhere over there. In all actuality, if it wasn't for me, Sifu, go over there, Sifu, go. He's still trying to hurry up and come that way. But he didn't pee yet, so can't let him come this way. So if it wasn't for like stocks and real estate, I wouldn't be, where did he poop? There we go. Man, I wouldn't be really like doing this if it wasn't for the stocks and day trading. So thank God for stocks and real estate, right? Look, they all look super white today. Look, even seafood looks extra white. You guys see that? Anyways, I think they're good. Sola pooped last night too, so she don't really need to go now. And these guys are pretty good. All right, come on, let's go. I guess seafood. What a strange boy, right? Go ahead, go home. He poops, but he didn't pee. That's so weird. Come on, Truffle, go home. Come on, let's go. A little slowpoke. Look at a little slowpoke here. I love it when I bathe her and use the this shampoo right here. When I bathe her and use this, her coat looks extra good. I don't know, man. I like that product. I like that product a lot. She needs some water. Let's put some water in here. And you need some water too. And you actually need some water too. Truffle, your water is good. Okay. And that's it, guys. So I'm waiting for both my breedings to confirm. You guys already seen the studs that I use. I cannot wait for them two to drop. I'll keep you guys posted, alright? I'll chat with you guys on the next one. Peace.